Okay, everyone, wish me luck. I just got UFC trading cards, a pack of 30. Let's see, hope I get something cool in here. Maybe an autograph. We'll see. Oh man, as a lot of you know, the sports card market is through the roof right now. Sports cards are just in high demand, especially the UFC cards. And I got a pack of 30 here. Panini. So let's see. I'm gonna just set the phone down here. Gonna see the ceiling for a minute here. Okay, let's see here. Oh, man. Open it up right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, I got Yang Zanan. Got Corey Sandhagen. I got Max Bless Holloway. Ooh, that's not too bad. Oh, I got Pena. Yep, Juliana Pena here. Pedro Munoz. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Alexander Volkov. Oh, wow. Marvin Vettori. Yeah, Jan Blachowicz. TJ Dillashaw. Neil Magny. Khamzat Chimaev. Oh, wow. Anderson Silva. Oh, wow. Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Michael Bisping. Oh, wow. Got some winners here.
You do?
Yeah. Alexander Rakic, title challenger. Soon to be title challenger. Rodolfo Vieira. He's not too big of a star, but he's a definite mid-carder. Yair Rosenstruck. Let's see here. It's for my YouTube channel. Let's see. Oh, Marvelous. Jan Blachowicz. Wow, crunch time. Charles Oliveira. Wow, wow. Let's see. Khabib, Nurmagomedov, Magicians. Here we go. Let's see. Song Yadong. Let's see here. Volkan Ozdemir. He's borderline retirement. Irene Aldana. Oh, she could be champ in the near future. Oh, Curtis Blades. I had dinner with this guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, heavyweight title challenger right there.
Wow.
He could be the soon to be heavyweight champ Francisco Trinaldo. Oh, Angela Hill, former Invicta FC champ right there. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, Cody Stamann, he's hopefully he gets some wins. He needs a win bad. Get some wins, Cody. Get some wins. Don't get cut by the UFC. Darren Elkins, WEC legend right here. Oh man. Oh, Cain Velasquez. Oh boy. Oh boy. Like, we don't know if he's going to be in prison or what. He's facing an attempted murder charge right now.
Yeah.
So
Isn't that something?
yeah, and then Tanner Bosser. Oh wow, well, he could be he could be a title challenger. That's, I don't know. And then Dan Ige. So no autographs in this pack, but hey, I got some big stars. Anderson Silva, and yeah. Oh man, but yeah. Yeah, Dan Ige. He's main eventer. So got some good stars. Yeah.